how to integrate Wise with WooCommerce. So if you want to integrate Wise with WooCommerce, then let's get started. First of all, make sure to open up your Wise account or to create an account. If you do have one, then you need to make sure to log into your Wise with the right credentials. So go with login, which will be in the top right, enter your credentials and log into your account. After that, go ahead and select your name in the top right corner, and then you need to scroll down, and in the settings section, you will have an option of integrations and tools. You need to click on it. After that, select the API tokens in the developer tools. Once you get redirected to this page, you just need to simply go and select and add a new token. Make sure to name it and then give a full access. And then select create token, which will be on the bottom. And that's it. Just select a reveal key, which will be on the right side once you've created your token. Make sure to enter your password right here for the safety, and then select done, and then just copy the key and use it in the platform that you want. That's how you can integrate Wise with WooCommerce. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.